Hey Google, play Corey Carson on Netflix.
Sure, Toot Toot Corey Carson from Netflix. Playing on MIBO.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet. The mic's off. The microphone is back on.
Okay Google, play my workout playlist. Okay Google, where is the nearest post office? Okay Google, remind me to buy flowers. Hey Google, what time is the sunrise?
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. It's great to meet you. There are a lot of ways I can help you get things done. Let's try a few, or if you already know your way around, just say, I'm done. First, we'll play a short music clip. Say, hey, and then Google, and ask me to play your favorite artist. Okay, music on Spotify. Here you go. And just an FYI, you can always say something like, set the volume to 3. You can always feel free to ask, what song is this? And
Okay,
human rights
Google.
violation.
Good night.
Hi, you've found the new bedtime routine. Let's try it together. First, let's set tomorrow morning's alarm. What time should I set the alarm for? Done. Set for 8:30 a.m. Next, I'll play some nature sounds to help you fall asleep. And just so you know, you can customize this routine. I can also tell you about tomorrow's calendar or weather, turn off lights, and more. To customize your bedtime routine, take a look at routine settings in the Google Home app. Sleep well.